Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to this video. I recently took a pen and paper and wrote down a list of things that I've done so far in my career. The organizations that I've worked so far, the projects that I've handled, milestones that I've achieved, success, failures, the teams that I've worked with, everything that I could think of about my career. I just made a note of it. It's quite an interesting activity, and I suggest you should try it as well. Now, at the end of the activity, I realized that there are a couple of points that have helped me build my career. So I thought, why not make a video and share with you? So let's get started. Which are these 4 points that have helped me in my career? Point number one: reading. I feel this is one of the most important aspects to help you build your career. Read as much as you can. Every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes, take time out. I read about the domain that I specialize in, the career that I've chosen, which is learning and development. I follow leaders from the industry. I try and read articles written by them, interviews by them. If there's any journals, books, magazines, anything that is published which is related to your field, please try and ensure that you read, so that it's not just about gaining knowledge, but it's also getting an insight of how things are going around, what how your industries is going forward with the times right now that we are in. Things are changing rapidly, so reading certainly has helped me shape my career and might help you as well. Point number two: discuss. I make it a point to talk about my career with my family, with my friends, with my some of the professors who I'm still in touch with, and also some of the colleagues that I'm still in touch with from the industry, and try and understand what they are doing, what is the strategy that they have used to build their careers. It's a good give and take. It's good to learn from each other, and also you understand from their experience, you learn from their experience of how they have shaped their careers, how what they have done differently than what you are doing. This is another thing which I feel that many a times it's a good idea to seek advice from your mentors, from your family, from your friends, and they certainly can offer a fresh perspective to your career. Point number three: learning new skills. Now, I believe it's needless to say, because you know it's very important for us to continuously hone our skills. Thanks to the online learning platforms that are available now, there is so much to read, to learn. I completed 2 courses very recently, that's on consumer behavior and leadership. I've enrolled for the third one now, and I believe this has certainly helped me in my career. Point number four: connect. So connect, I believe, is all about building your network. Majority of the times we end up working with people from different backgrounds who we haven't known earlier, who we haven't been familiar with. So it's all about meeting new people and building your network. So it's a good idea to connect with as many people as we can, and thanks to the online networks that are available, we can certainly reach out to people, learn from what they are doing, what organizations do they represent, what startups they're working for. So many people that we can connect, and certainly at times it's the network that might help you at times when you're looking for employment or business opportunities. It's through this network you might get an opportunity. So I believe building your network and connecting with people is certainly a very important aspect that has helped me shape my career. So these were the 4 points that have helped me so far. Certainly it's a long list, but I believe these were the 4 major ones. What do you think are the points that have helped you in your career? Why don't you mention it in the comment box? And it's a good idea to learn and share. So I'm going to be coming up with some more videos now on some similar topics like career, interviews, leadership, presentations. There's so many topics that we can talk about and share our experience through this platform. So thank you very much for watching this video, and hope to see you soon again. Till then, goodbye and good luck.